Hello and welcome to Mike's Garage. If you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, please do, and when you do, be sure and tap on the little notification bell so you'll be notified every time we put up a new video. Hi everybody. You know, last thing we did, we did a little storytelling on our last video, and it was fun. And I think a lot of people liked it, and I was real flattered, and I'm really glad that you enjoyed it. So anybody who enjoyed that, hopefully I'll do some more. I just have to reach into my memory banks and make them work. They're a little bit fuzzy, you know. Anyway, enough of that stuff. Today I'm working on my Shovelhead. I know I should be working on the flathead. The flathead is a build. The Shovelhead said, Mike, if we're going to hippie killer this year, I'm puking enough oil for 14 motorcycles. So I kind of went around her and cleaned her up a little bit and pulled the top end off, and lo and behold, yeah, I don't know how long it's been since I've had this motor open. If I look back in the videos, it's been a few years, so I don't know how many miles it really has on it. So basically I'm just going to seal up all the leaks because she was running real well. The bores look pretty good, so I'll put a set of rings in her. If I'm going to pull the cylinders, might as well put a set of rings in. So I was cleaning up my cylinders and getting ready to go, and I said, we got to do a video of this because everybody's going to say, why didn't you do a video? Which is really nice when they say that, because obviously they'd like to see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the cylinders. I'm going to show one today, and we'll go from there. I've got the cylinders and heads obviously off. Let's see, I've got a cylinder head here, it looks pretty messy, and I don't really have anything to show until I take them apart and we look at them, and I will. And let's see, this cylinder, that's the next cylinder. Let's do the first one, which I think is the rear. And I have it over here in my sink, and I've got it pretty well cleaned up, like washed up a little bit. And what I'm going to do, first I'm put on my gloves. And the reason I'm putting on my gloves, because the solvent I'm using really, look at this, is a good reason for gloves. Okay, there's one, and here's his brother. And I did it. All right. So here we go. What do I have over here? I got a flashlight, and I can look at the bores in here. I don't see much of anything. It looks bad, but feels pretty good, and I think a good hone job on it. Because if I remember correctly, when I put this thing together, I set it up pretty tight. And living in Southern California and doing a lot of desert riding, it gets a little warm. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this solvent tank here, and I got the cylinder here. We'll get my ball hone nice and clean, and we'll ball hone this cylinder. It's been a while since I've done this. I used to do it all the time. Okay, here we go. We're going to go in there. Okay. Now what you're trying to do when you do this is you're trying to give it a nice little crosshatch in there, pattern, and we're doing it. And we're getting it. Now what you want to do is you take your drill motor up and down, and you try to have the speed matched so that you get the angle of crosshatch you like. I like them like about a 60 degree. I mean, I like a real nice steep crosshatch. And I learned that from the guys at the machine shop who said the guys who do NASCAR, that's how they do it. Well, for what they put a motor through and what they do, just about anything they do is something I want to know about, because I want to do it too. Now let's see here, we'll rinse that off. Got to clean that carbon off the top a little better. It looks like we've about got it. Need a few more passes on it, and we'll have it. And I'm going to put a fresh set of rings in it, and it'll be lovey-dovey. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. I mentioned a little while ago the Hippie Killer Hoedown is coming up on the 25th of October. What is it today, about the 12th or 13th? I don't know, but the 25th is the Hippie Killer Hoedown in Winchester, California, and put on by Cuddy Note Boom and all his friends that come out to help him. Let me tell you, it's a beautiful show. It's a lot of fun. He'll have lowriders and cars and bikes, lowrider cars, the antique stuff, some beautiful, beautiful stuff. A lot of people from the whole area out there in Winchester and the surrounding area. So anyway, that's a really nice thing to go to. What you want to do is look it up on the internet. It's called the Hippie Killer Hoedown 2015. Other than that, I'd like to mention we have our t-shirts, by all means. If you'd like a Pacific Mike t-shirt or a Pacific Mike baseball cap, there are our t-shirts. And all you need to do is go to pacificmike.com. That's pacificmike.com. And in the upper right hand corner it says T-shirt shop, and you can click on that, and there it is if you'd like to order one. Anyway, we're going to have some more storytelling, and I'll be working on my Shovelhead here, and I'll bring it up as I go through it, because I just got it apart and I'm just cleaning up the cylinders now, and we'll show some more because I want to look at those heads. And the heads are real interesting heads, so they're fun to look at. They're STD heads. Anyway, we'll show those in the upcoming videos. So until then, I'll see you out on the road.